A lot of people talk about organizing life with Notion, but when you first open Notion, it can feel very confusing and overwhelming. So in this video, I want to show you 3 Notion systems that help you organize every aspect of your personal life, from tasks, projects, goals to money, fitness activities, and meal plans. And all those systems are available at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. You can discover them in the link in the comments. The first system is a productivity system called Productivity Copilot, and it is based on a productivity method called PARA, Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archive. And it is a very simple and straightforward productivity method, which I find the best for my life, for me. So the Productivity Copilot template has different views that help you manage tasks, manage projects, goals, and areas of life. So at the top, you can see today's agenda, and here you can see all your tasks for today. And also you can see here 4 buttons for quick capture, like to quickly add a new task, a new node, new resource, or new project. Then the system has a view for projects, and here you can just manage all your ongoing projects or initiatives. And you can see start date, end date, status, related area, and progress. And also you can see projects on the timeline. And if you go inside the project, you can see here all tasks related to that project and also all nodes related to this project. And then the productivity system has tasks and planning center. So here you can visualize all your tasks on the calendar and also see all not completed tasks, all tasks, and all completed tasks. Then the system has section to manage different areas of your life, for example, business, or it can be personal finances, whatever. And you have area name, description, and related goals to that area, and also related projects and related nodes. And for goals, the productivity system has also a section. So here you can see all goals, not started, ongoing, and completed. And inside the goal, you can see target date, related projects, and status and progress. And productivity method is about knowledge management. So in the productivity copilot system, you can see all nodes and nodes by categories, and also resources and resources by categories. So you have all your knowledge inside a single dashboard. And inside nodes, you can see when it was added. You can easily archive the node and also connect node to area, category, or project. And you can see all nodes by categories, and same with resources. So you can connect resource with resource category and also tag resource if it's like a video, article, or anything else. And lastly, the productivity system has daily reflections section. So here you can reflect on your days, identify positives, negatives, and these reflections are automatically repeated every single day. And here inside the reflections, you have mood, things that you're grateful for, and what was good and bad that day. The second system for your personal life is Ultimate Finance Tracker, and it is a system that helps you manage your money. So at the top, you can see accounts. So these are just your different accounts or saving goals. And inside the account, you can see starting balance, current balance, description, and you can see all income, all expenses, transfers, and subscriptions related to this account. Then you can see here budget. So you can categorize your expenses and keep track of your expenses to stop overspending. And you can set monthly budget, and you can easily see spent this month, remaining for this month, and progress. And also if you go inside, you can see all expenses for this budget category. Then the Ultimate Finance Tracker has a way to track all your income for this month, and income by category, and also categorize your income. So again, if you go inside, you can see all income for this category. And expenses. So here is a simple way to track expenses, all expenses and expenses for this current month, and connect expenses to budget categories for budgeting, and transfers to transfer money between accounts, for example, from savings account to checking account or vice versa. And you can see from account to account, amount and date. And the Ultimate Finance Tracker has subscriptions tracking with cost per month, per year, next payment date, and related account. And you can track active, inactive subscriptions. And lastly, the Finance Tracker has a reporting section. So here you can see all your expenses monthly, weekly, yearly, and same with the income. So you can track your income monthly, weekly, and yearly and make adjustments and just see overall picture. And the last system for your everyday life is called Ultimate Fitness Planner. And here you can plan fitness related activities and goals. So on the main dashboard, you can see days of the week with the goals related to your fitness activities and also weight progress over time for tracking your weight. And if you go inside a day, here you can see a section for meal planning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you can add more sections. And you can see workout planning section. So here you can plan your workouts and see repetitions, exercises, and you can press button mark as completed. It will mark the workout as completed. And same with meal planning. So you see total calories, total cooking time, and if you press this synchronize button, it will send data to calories tracking. So here you can track your nutritional info, calories, proteins, carbs, fats, and for workout history, you can track your workout over time, over a period of time. The Ultimate Fitness Planner has a way to manage your workouts, plan and manage your workouts, and keep track of different exercises. And same thing with recipes. So here you can see all recipes and categorize your recipes. And inside the recipe, you can see, you can track calories, proteins, carbs, fats, and total cooking time, and the recipe below. Also, the fitness planner has a section for tracking notes and like journaling, and if you can go inside and take like notes, for example, about your workout or if anything went wrong. And educational resources. So here you can keep track of different educational resources, for example, cooking videos or some workout related resources. And lastly, the fitness planner has a way to track your expenses. So these three Notion systems help you organize your life, keep track of your projects, your tasks, finances, workouts, plan your meals, set goals, keep track of resources, and more. And you can discover all those Notion systems at Grizzly Templates Marketplace and start getting organized with Notion right away.